Hey you fellas, this is Director Vin of Director Vin Studios. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Today's topic, we're going to be talking about the top 3 video editing softwares that you can use for your video editing across the globe. Before we start on today's tutorial, please subscribe and hit the bell icon if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post something new on this channel. Let's dive right in. Number one is Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a software designed for video editors who are looking for ways to enhance their work. Mostly it is used in Hollywood video making or video film productions. Best features: it supports multiple file formats, it has Lumetri color support system, it has direct publishing, immersive visual reality support, meaning it's a professional video editing software. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is a series of non-linear video editing software program which is developed by Macromedia Inc. Mostly it is used by people who are running a Mac iOS. If you are not a Mac iOS user, meaning you can't run this application. The application runs in 64 bits and utilizes a Grand Central Dispatch for immense speed upgrades. You can start editing before your footage finishes importing. Wow, that's another dope feature. It has a magnetic timeline, makes sure your audio and video never get disrupted while you're busy editing. It has background rendering that will save you a ton of time when exporting or when you're busy working on other clips. If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, and if you are looking for ways or links to download the softwares, check the description. I've listed the links on where to download the softwares. That's it for me. We'll see you next time. Peace out.